Is your screen flickering or tearing on Windows 11 or Windows 10? Frustrating, right? Don't worry, we are here to help. This video will walk you through effective solutions to eliminate those annoying screen issues. Watch now to enjoy a smoother and tear-free Windows experience. To fix screen flickering or tearing in Windows 11 and Windows 10, Step 1. Update graphic drivers. Ensure your graphics card driver are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers. Step 2. Adjust refresh rate. Right-click on the desktop, go to Display Settings, and make sure your display's refresh rate matches its native rate. Step 3. Change resolution. Try changing the screen resolution to see if that resolves the issue. Step 4. Disable hardware acceleration. In some applications like web browsers, turn off hardware acceleration in the settings. Step 5. Check for software conflicts. Some third-party software may cause screen issues. Try running Windows in safe mode to see if the problem persists. Step 6. Monitor cables. Ensure that your monitor cables are securely connected to both the computer and the monitor. Step 7. Disable VSync. In some cases, disabling vertical sync VSync in games or graphics settings might help. Step 8. Adjust Windows updates. Sometimes a specific Windows update might be causing issues. Uninstall recent updates or use System Restore to go back to a point before the problem started. Step 9. Test with a different monitor. If possible, connect your PC to a different monitor to check if the issue is related to the monitor itself. Step 10. Run hardware diagnostic. Use built-in hardware diagnostic tools to check for any hardware problems. If the issue persists after trying these steps, consult with a professional or the manufacturer for further assistance.